Hello dear students, welcome to the online education of classic science. Dear students, in the previous class I was explaining about the activity of a magnet wherein you need to collect the um, bar magnet and that has to be rubbed, okay, in the different soil samples in the different areas. So after some time you will, when you lift the bar magnet after rubbing against the soil, you will see that many kinds of materials are attracted towards the poles of the magnet. So now what you need to do, just you those bar magnet, you have to just, you are going to shake it gently. So what happens at the time, the all the some particles which are attracted towards the poles of the magnet, they are going to be removed, okay, they will fall down, okay. So some, but still there are some particles which are still sticking to the poles of the magnet, okay. So these materials are probably the small pieces of a iron, or we call it as iron filings, okay. So iron fillings which are picked up from the soil and they are attached to the poles of the magnet. So then we have done activity that we have found different colonies and villages, and in which kind of soil the materials are attracted towards the poles of the magnet, whether they are attracted by many completely or very few or none of them, okay, even not even single particle is attracted towards the poles, you have to give the report. So that activity we have discussed in today's class. Let's go for the next concept, that is poles of the magnet. So dear students, this is very important concept here. So we need to observe that we have already observed that the iron fillings, okay, they are stick to the magnet rubbed in the soil. So which part is rubbed in the soil now? For that the iron fillings are attracted. So do you observe that there's something special about how they have sticked to the magnet, the way they have sticked to the magnet? So that, let us do the activity here. So what is that activity number? Let's see. Spread some iron fillings on a sheet of paper. So take some iron fillings and spread them on a sheet of paper. Now what you do? Place a bar magnet on this sheet. You have to place the bar magnet on this sheet. On that sheet you have to place the bar magnet. So what are you going to observe there? So immediately the iron fillings start sticking to all over the magnet. Okay, so when you just place it, so it immediately iron fillings start sticking to the all over the magnet, completely they cover up. So we observe that more iron fillings are get attracted to only some parts of the magnet than the other part. Okay, so look at the figure 13.7. So we see that, so in the poles of the magnet, see on the two ends of the magnet, you will see, we will observe more iron fillings are attracted towards it. Okay, so when we remove the iron fillings sticking to the magnet and repeat the same activity many times, we observe that there is a change in the pattern with which the iron fillings are attracted towards by different parts of the magnet. So we can do this activity using even not only the iron fillings, even we can do it using a pin, okay, metal pins or iron nails, okay. So of different type or different shapes, iron pins we can use, iron nails we can use, or iron fillings we can use. So you can draw even a diagram to show the way the iron filings are attracted to stick to the magnet. So whether the diagram which I have shown, is it similar to the figure 13.6 a or 13.7? Okay, so we'll observe that 13.7 activity figure here. So iron fillings are attracted towards the sticking to a bar magnet more quantity. So by this what we find that most of the iron fillings, okay, they are attracted towards the two ends of a magnet. By looking at this diagram, we'll see that most of the iron fillings, they are attracted towards the two ends of the bar magnet, to the two ends of the bar magnet. Okay, so these ends are called poles of the magnet. These two ends are called as what? Poles of the magnet. So try to bring these a few magnets of different shapes to the class, so that we will come to that. So if we bring some types, different types of magnet, okay, so we'll see that, so they will have a, so we can do this activity even in the class by spreading a sheet of paper and iron filings or iron nails or iron pins. Immediately we find that the all over the magnet the iron fillings are attracted. So moreover, compared to the middle part of the iron, the compared to the middle part of the magnet, we'll see that poles have been attracted more by the iron fillings. So even you can check for the location of the poles, okay, on the magnets, okay, using the iron fillings. So even we can find where, in which direction the magnet is, okay. So let us understand this concept of finding direction in the next class. Okay, so dear students, let me stop here and let me continue the remaining part of the lesson in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.